Welcome to Knowledge Nuggets. Picture this. You've just stepped off a long flight. Exhausted, you navigate through the crowded terminal. You're eager to start your trip. But first, the dreaded baggage claim. You anxiously watch as bags tumble onto the carousel. Minutes tick by, but yours is nowhere to be found. The carousel finally grinds to a halt. Your heart sinks. Your bag is lost. According to recent data, airlines mishandle millions of bags every year. That's millions of travelers facing the inconvenience, stress, and frustration of lost luggage. It's a travel nightmare that can quickly turn your dream vacation into a logistical nightmare. This scenario is all too common. It's a stark reminder of the inherent risk of checking a bag. But what if there's a better way? What if you could avoid the baggage carousel altogether? This is the reality for a growing number of travelers. They've discovered the freedom and efficiency of traveling with just a carry-on bag, and they're never going back. For years, checking a bag was seen as a necessary evil. It was the only way to bring everything you needed on a trip. But times are changing. The tide is turning against checked bags. Travelers are realizing the numerous benefits of packing light and embracing the carry-on lifestyle. This shift is driven by several factors. Airlines are increasingly strict about baggage fees and weight limits. Budget airlines, in particular, often charge hefty fees for checked bags. This makes carrying on your only luggage a much more economical option. Moreover, travelers are becoming more aware of the environmental impact of air travel. Carrying less weight on board means less fuel consumption, reducing your carbon footprint. But perhaps the most compelling reason for the rise of carry-on is simple convenience. Traveling with just a carry-on streamlines your trip from start to finish. It eliminates the hassle of checking a bag, waiting at baggage claim, and risking lost luggage. The concept of checked baggage has been around since the early days of commercial aviation. In the golden age of air travel, checking a bag was a luxurious perk. Airlines offered generous baggage allowances, and porters whisked away your bags with a smile. However, as air travel became more accessible, baggage handling became a logistical challenge. Airlines faced increasing pressure to reduce costs and improve efficiency. As a result, baggage fees were introduced and baggage allowances became more restrictive. Today, checking a bag is often seen as more of a liability than a luxury. It adds extra cost, time, and stress to your journey. It's no longer the seamless experience it once was. The modern travel landscape is vastly different from the days of yore. Budget airlines dominate the market, offering low fares but charging extra for almost everything else, including checked bags. These fees can quickly add up, especially for families or frequent travelers. Furthermore, carry-on size restrictions have become more generous. Many airlines now allow passengers to bring a carry-on bag and a personal item, providing ample space for essential items for a short trip. With careful planning and packing, it's possible to fit everything you need in a carry-on bag. There are countless resources available online, offering packing tips and tricks for minimalist travel. You can find packing cubes, compression bags, and other innovative products designed to maximize space and organization. Time is money, and your sanity is priceless. The benefits of traveling with just a carry-on extend far beyond saving money on baggage fees. It's a time-saving game-changer. Think about it. You no longer have to waste precious vacation time waiting in line to check your bag. You can breeze past the check-in counter and head straight to security. And once you reach your destination, you can bypass the baggage claim altogether. Imagine the freedom of stepping off the plane and heading straight to your hotel, or exploring the city without the burden of waiting for your luggage. This newfound efficiency translates to a less stressful travel experience. You'll avoid the anxiety of lost luggage and the potential for delays or disruptions to your itinerary. Traveling light allows you to move through airports and destinations with ease and flexibility. Experts agree. Pack light, travel far. Travel experts and seasoned globetrotters alike are strong advocates for the carry-on only approach. they understand the transformative power of packing light. As Rick Steves, renowned travel writer and TV host, famously said, "Travel light, and you'll travel far." His words resonate with millions of travelers who have discovered the liberating feeling of carrying everything they need on their backs. Similarly, Nomadic Matt, a popular travel blogger, emphasizes the importance of packing light for stress-free travel. He states, "The less you carry, the less you have to worry about." His minimalist packing philosophy has inspired countless travelers to ditch the checked bag and embrace the freedom of carry-on travel. Embrace the freedom of traveling light. Traveling with just a carry-on is more than just a practical choice. It's a mindset shift. It's about simplifying your travel experience and focusing on what truly matters. Experiencing new places, immersing yourself in different cultures, and creating unforgettable memories. When you pack light, you pack with intention. You prioritize the essentials and leave behind the unnecessary. This forces you to be more mindful of your belongings and appreciate the experiences you have rather than the things you carry. Embracing the carry-on lifestyle opens up a world of possibilities. You'll be more spontaneous, more adaptable, and more open to adventure. You'll discover a new level of freedom and flexibility in your travels. Join the carry-on revolution. The carry-on revolution is here, and it's only gaining momentum. More and more travelers are ditching their checked bags and embracing the freedom, efficiency, and peace of mind that comes with packing light. So, the next time you plan a trip, challenge yourself to pack everything you need in a carry-on bag. You might be surprised at how liberating it feels. What are your thoughts on checked bags? Have you ever experienced the nightmare of lost luggage? Share your stories and join the conversation in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other travel tips and vlogs for more inspiration and advice.